Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying exactly where the photos were stored and confirming backups: cloud accounts, device internal storage, SD card. Once identified, disable automatic sync or uploads to avoid overwriting recoverable data. Next, install or open a reputable recovery app or sign into the cloud trash folder. Make sure the tool supports your file types. This first action both preserves current state and sets up the environment for deep scans. Take screenshots of any error messages for later reference. Now run a deep or raw scan on the affected storage. This mode reads unallocated sectors and increases chances of finding deleted photos. Once the scan begins, apply filters by date range, file type, JPEG, PNG, hike, and size to focus results. Make sure to preview thumbnails and metadata before restoring so you recover the right images. If the software allows, export a list of found files so you can double-check file names. If scanning an SD card, use a USB adapter for stability. Finally, restore recovered photos to a different drive or folder than the original to prevent overwriting any remaining data. Once restored, verify integrity by opening several files and checking metadata. Then copy the confirmed files to at least 2 secure locations such as cloud plus external drive. If images are corrupted or missing, stop writing to the original storage and run a second scan with alternate software. If that fails, consult a professional data recovery service. Do this only after preserving a forensic image of the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.